So today we are simply going to discuss about advanced optimization techniques, and you have not done enough interesting large scale new custom metric optimization. This is a video for you. Consider this as a demo account video. Specifically, we're talking about the shopping campaigns. So imagine you are already running a manual sales campaign, and for lack of time and for lack of, I'll just call it a dummy. Now, first things first, always have a habit of customizing a column, and this is the whole video is just specifically gonna be this. Remove all of the matrices that you generally do not look at every day. There are a lot of metrics that you are not looking at every day. So for an example, let's say impressions. If absolute impressions doesn't make any sense to you and actually doesn't make a lot of sense to you, don't make it. I have certain basic custom metrics, which is a mandatory, and here is what I'm gonna show you. Go here. So I follow a methodology which is I study every funnel of the whole ad. So how do we start, or how does the customer journey look like? You have your impression, then you have your click. In click, there are three kind of clicks: total click, outbound click, unique click. We will be taking outbound click into consideration. If you have the doubt, oh, why outbound click, let me know in the comment section. I'll explain you separately. There will be click. After click, what happens? Landing page visit. After landing page visit is the PDP page visit, or the product page, or the specific SKU page, or the specific category page, or whatever it is. Then you move towards add to cart. Then it is initiate checkout or initiate purchase. Then it is a purchase. So when you are controlling ROAS, the ROAS is a function of all of these pages. So you cannot just look overall on the ad and then say, okay, my ROAS is down or something like that. So we will start off with the first. The first things first I like to do is start by doing percentages. So I'll have an outbound click to impression. I'll convert it into percentage and I will call it, let's say, OC by impression. So this is 1%. So yeah, here is me just dynamically creating. Then what we discussed, outbound click to a landing page. So landing page views divided by outbound click percentage, OC, sorry, LP by OC, another custom metric. Then we said add to cart or the PDP page. Now here is where the trick lies. If your product page you are sending as a custom event, then only you can create this point. If you're not sending, you will not be able to create it. So send the custom event first and then create it. I don't have the custom event right now because this is a dummy account, so you can create it on your own. So what you will do, you now have a whole holistic view of the funnel by funnel. Then what I like to have as a mandatory thing, I'll just have it here. After the percentages are done, I like to have all the costs. So I want to have cost per add to cart in one custom metric, cost by landing page view, and your cost per purchase. And then you start looking at the campaigns funnel by funnel. So there are some campaigns or some ads where you will see cost per add to cart is less, but your ROAS is bad, but your spends are also bad. So then you know that, okay, the mid funnel is getting triggered, not pretty high. So maybe wait for some days and then take a call. Or maybe go to your Google Analytics account and check the UTM source that the event is right or not. A lot of the times, the event attribution is also wrong. So you are not directly looking at cost per purchase and then saying, okay, I will just pause the ad or something like that. So take those calls very, 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 very nuancedly. I have a very basic philosophy. Any product, any platform, it doesn't matter. It can be an app, it can be a website, it can be a landing page, it can be a course, it can be a game, doesn't matter. Always check funnel by funnel, which means you should do a very basic protocol whenever you onboard a client or whenever you're working in a company at the first stage. And the first stage is use the product. Go through the whole product flow and write it down in a Google Sheet. I'll make a next video around how do you write product flows in a Google Sheet. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover this up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Be very, very motivated if you do that. I'm planning to do a lot of tutorials for free, so let me know.